I go surfing today, eh, boys? Good plan? We'll go to the beach?
Is there?
Yeah. Do you like Arabic or Malawi?
I think we had Malawi.
I think we had the Arabic one.
Oh, you want to try?
Mine's Arabic, I don't try this.
Wow, I don't mind. Is it good?
Yeah. It's all good, bro. It's nice and it's like light, you know, it's not too...
I'll try Arabic, I reckon. I'm learning how to make drip coffee. Look at this thing. Okay. I can't even get it. How does this go? I just had a lid off.
Yeah.
So pour it slowly in a circle motion apparently. Yeah, sick. Okay, so we don't have any chain lube because I was not very prepared. What we do have is 3 litres of soybean oil. So I reckon this is going to do us just fine. Sweet. Cool that lubed and good. Luckily, I brought a pump with me. The tire's pretty low, so I'm gonna give it a bit of air and we're gonna be rolling way quicker. Just gonna pump it up super hard, I reckon. Because we're just on the road here. Okay. A bit more and then we're good. Ladies and gents, day 2 of the Taiwan roadie, and I've ditched my backpack at the ACOM. Got this little bag that I found the other day, clipped on the front with a change of clothes, wallet, what else is in there? A couple music bars, and got a full bottle of water. We're heading off to the beach. Maybe you go for a surf if there's any waves. It's quite windy though, so don't know what that means. Yeah, the lads are at the beach, so catch up with them there. Got about 20 k's to ride, and then yeah, spend the afternoon at the beach and then ride home again. So just a quiet day today. I got 2 pretty big days coming up. Each one's almost 200k, so just try and take it a bit cruisy before then. Yeah, at the beach. Looks mint. Nice little zone, sand back there. It smells like the ocean. Everything looks clean and nice. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I'm sweating my way up this climb. It's pretty hot. Feeling pretty tired too. We've got heart rate about 140 and just chipping away. I think we're not too far from the top of the hill. There's a sick mountain just behind these trees that you can kind of see peeking through. And then I think we go down to the coast on the other side, so yeah, another K or 2 of climbing I reckon, and then down. There's a monkey. See him? Right there. Hey, quite small. We're here at the head of the park. Hi. It's okay with the bike?
No, no.
Oh no?
No.
Okay. How do you go through? Do you need a, can you get a permit?
Certain natural park area, only that way.
Okay.
Intake.
Okay. So I can't go through here? No. This way?
No, no, no.
Okay. I'm being shut down. So even with a bike it's not possible?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. This is sick. We're finally off road. Check it out, we're on gravel. I'm glad I brought my 170mm fork along to deal with this. We actually I just got told off for trying to go down something that I didn't have the right credentials for. So we had to take the back roads. Well, that was the back roads. We had to take the, I guess this is the normal road. Don't know. But I can see the coastline. And I've almost crossed the other side of the island. First time seeing the east coast of Taiwan. And then, yeah, still gotta find the boys surfing. This whole thing's taken me longer than I expected. But it's been cool, seen monkeys. What else? Yeah, got told off. Nothing else is really happened. Apart from feeling pretty tired. I think the last few days are catching up on me. And tomorrow's gonna be massive, so I'm a little bit apprehensive for 180, 190k on the mountain bike. With the DH tyres on, probably gonna be a little bit of suffering involved, I reckon. Check it out! Yeah! Epic! Holy beautiful! Trying to find the boys. Just ordered some food. Have a look what we got in here. Bit of stuff's got coconut milk. I want some of that iced tea stuff. So just stopping for lunch. Found a surf shop over there. So have to go down and find the waves and then see if boys have a board or not. There's a rig. A young lady just filled up my water for me, which was very nice. Just don't know if I should trust it, but who knows? I already drank some, so. And then for juice. And we got some chicken and rice coming. Sick, just checked out the surf spot and saw the boys there as well. Looks pretty mean actually. So I gotta try and find a longboard, lock my bike up, and then walk down and have a little grovel. It's kind of onshore, not huge, but there's a bit of size in it, enough to get a wave. So, you know, you're only in Taiwan once, may as well paddle out and get a wave. All right, see what we got here. Oh, nice. Have a look at this bad boy. Hey. That's it. Sick. Nice board.
Hello， 你好，孩子。新加坡的朋友。
Just had a sick surf session with the boys.
So
Matt Geo was getting some clips from the beach.
Yep, I got one good one of you.
I might have to get that later.
Yeah, of course.
Put it into the video. And now we're going to the night market. So these guys are on the scooters. I'm on the analog.
we can put our feet there for you. Give it a push, bro.
Yeah. But it's a super nice evening, so it should be good.
Really nice.
Good riding. Oh, I wanted that corner.
You didn't dip it, you just
I ate chili.
Are you asking ChatGPT? Okay, riding home from dinner. And today's been the rest day, really. Only done about, I don't actually know. I want to say like, oh no, not even 30. Oh yeah, probably 20k each way or something. So what's that? 40 odd k. Yeah, this guy's loving it. And tomorrow's the big shift. We got 190, I think. I can't actually track it because my watch, I used up all the battery last night using it as my rear tail light, and didn't bring a charger with me because it usually lasts like a week. It's sick, but wasn't expecting to use it for 2 or 3 hours on the rear of my bike. So yeah, we're out of battery, well, low on battery, so I'm not gonna record the ride, but it'll be what it will be. Anyway, that's it. May as well sign out on day 2, and we'll pick this back up in the morning for day 3 of the Taiwan tour.